All right, so this is about putting the filter motor thing back in the tank. So it goes in here like this, and you just kind of have to wiggle it a little bit until it just kind of slips in. See those little fins right there? Little fins right in the middle there? Those fit in that slot, right like that. And you can hear it vibrating. That's because it's the magnet is making the thing spin around. So if I put it in here and seat it down, you can hear it starting up, and it's going to go squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And it'll just start going on its own. If it doesn't start going on its own, like, because you can, sometimes it'll just go in there and not do anything. I can't get it to do it now, but sometimes, yeah, sometimes it won't actually spin around. And if it does that, then you just have to lift it up a little bit and wiggle it around, and it'll start spinning. It'll start doing its thing. So it'll start its own siphon going, and then the filter's working again, and you're all good there.